Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will try to connect SQL Server to Python, or you can also say that uh, Python connect with MS SQL Server. I will try to connect this. Let's see. In SQL Server, I need automatic authentication for SQL Server, and this is my project is my database, and server name is Gautam. How to check your server name? You can simply click here, upper right side, and you can see uh, most left is your server name. Okay, then then I I I want to run also the first table, and this is my first table name is customer feedback satisfaction. So first of all, I run this, and I check this the data. I have total 38,444 row in customer feedback satisfaction table. So I need to run this data into Python Jupyter Notebook. Then how I can do that? First of all, I need to import pydoc pyodbc, and then I run. After that, I need to here server name, and server name is Gautam. Okay, so server name is Gautam, and database name is project. Okay, now I need to connect with uh, SQL Server. So how I can connect? I have simply write here connect CONN, and now I call in library pydoc, and now I write connect, and here I need to write f dot driver driver equal to odbc driver odbc driver 17 for SQL Server. Okay, after I close this, and then I write server equal to this server name, then database equal to database name, and then I need to write trusted connection, equal to yes. equal to yes. And now I want to run this. You can see here I didn't receive any error. So I want to run query here for testing purpose. Uh, my SQL are connected or not. Okay. So I write here cursor equal to con is this container dot cursor and I want to run. After that I need to execute this query. Select star from customer satisfaction. Okay. Okay. So what I can do here, I can do cursor means cur dot execute equal to I simply paste this query and then after rows equal to curr dot fetch all dot fetch all fetch all. After I simply write a loop for row in rows print row so you can see here our connection are validate and I get all record here. First of all I check how much row we get here. I get here 38,444 row, means this is my first last row, and how much row here, 38,044 row are here. So thank you for watching this video guys, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone.